Armour battles. Mission 2. Turn 4. Command dice are rolled at the start of each turn. The US roll 5 dice. The Germans roll 4 dice. The US go first. First US command pulse. The US have 5 command dice and 1 staff order. Last turn's delayed fire mission arrives. The fire mission deviates 6 inches. It hits all 3 Panther platoons. The US roll 4 hits including a suppression. The Germans roll 3 successes. The Panther takes a disruption. The Panther is forced back 7 inches. The battery fire has no effect. The US roll 3 hits including a suppression. The Germans roll 3 successes but are suppressed. The fire mission is completed. The US call a fire mission. The battery is delayed until next turn. The US activate an M475 platoon. The M4 fires at a Panther at long range. The Panther fires back with opportunity fire. The M4 fires to no effect. The Panther also fires to no effect. First German command pulse. The Germans have 4 command dice and 1 staff order. The Germans call a fire mission. The battery fails to respond and will fire next turn instead. The Germans regroup the Panther. Second US command pulse. The US activates the Shermans on the hill. The Shermans fire on the Stug, which uses opportunity fire to shoot back. The US roll 3 hits including a suppression. The Germans roll 3 successes. The Stug is suppressed. The US roll 3 hits including 2 suppressions. The Germans roll 1 success. The Stug takes 2 disruptions and is forced back 9 inches. The Stug fires but misses. Second German command pulse. The Pumas are ordered to advance with a double move. The US use opportunity fire. The Pumas break off. The US roll 4 hits including 2 suppressions. The Germans roll 4 successes. The Puma is suppressed. The next shot has no effect. The Pumas break off 8 inches. 3rd US Command Pulse. The US issue a disengage order. The Shermans disengage 12 inches. The Puma uses opportunity fire, but misses. The US use a rally order. The US roll their rally dice versus the unit's disruptions. The M4 has 2 disruptions. It's a successful rally. The M5 has 1 disruption. Another successful rally. Both units' disruptions are removed. 3rd German Command Pulse. Eager to escape the US artillery, the Panzer IVs advance. The Panzers advance 12 inches. The M476 uses opportunity fire at effective range, but misses. The Panzer IVs fire. The Germans roll 4 hits including a suppression. The US roll 3 successes. The M476 takes a disruption. The Germans roll 7 hits including 4 suppressions. The M475 rolls 2 successes and is dispersed. The US lose 2 morale. The Germans cancel their fire mission. 4th US Command Pulse. The US store a staff order. The US cancels its fire missions. End of turn 4. The US have 4 morale. The Germans have 9. With the loss of another Sherman platoon, the US are feeling the pressure of the Panzer's attack. The battle continues in the next video. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with Armour battles and Combat HQ. See you in the next one.